A young Gauss was famously asked to add 1 through 100 by hand and found a shortcut in seconds that avoided adding all 100 numbers one by one. That same trick is exactly what this video builds toward, alongside the two most important patterns in all of sequences: arithmetic and geometric progressions. An arithmetic progression, or AP, is a sequence where the difference between consecutive terms is always the same fixed number, called the common difference, D. The general form is A so, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, where A is the first term. This gives the explicit rule, Tn dasiers A plus n 1D. Take 1, 5, 9, 13, A by 1, D over 4, so the nth term is 1 plus n 1 times 4, which simplifies to 4n 3. There's also a recursive version, T1 nearby A, and Tn nearby Tn1 plus D. Now the Gauss trick. To add 1 through 10, write the sum twice, once forwards, once backwards, and stack them. 1 plus 2 plus, bub 10, and 10 plus 9 plus 1. Add each column. 1 plus 10, 11, 2 plus 9, 11. Every pair sums to 11 10 times over. That gives 2 times the sum equals 10 times 11, so the sum is 55. Generalize this for any n. The sum of the first n natural numbers is n plus I1 divided by 2. This is also exactly the formula for the nth triangular number. A geometric progression, or GP, is different. Instead of a constant difference, consecutive terms have a constant ratio, called the common ratio R. Each term is the previous one multiplied by R. The general form is A R squared, R cubed, and so on, giving the explicit rule Austin M bar times R to the power n1. Take 3, 6, 12, 24, A3, R bar 2, so the nth term is 3 times 2 to the power n1. Check the ratio between any consecutive pair, 6, 3, 12 to 6, 24, 12, and it's always exactly 2, confirming it's a genuine GP. The quickest way to tell them apart, subtract consecutive terms. If the difference is constant, it's an AP. Divide consecutive terms. If the ratio is constant, it's a GP. A dropped ball bouncing to 3/4 of its previous height each time is a classic GP, since each bounce height is the last one multiplied by the same fixed ratio, 3/4, never added or subtracted by a fixed amount. Quick check. The question's on screen. Pause if you like, but try it first. 10 seconds, go. Two, 6, 18, 54. Each term is 3 times the one before. A constant ratio, so it's a GP with common ratio 3. The answer is GP R3. An AP has a constant difference between terms, with nth term A plus 1th. The sum of the first n natural numbers is nm plus 1, 2 from the reverse and add trick, and a GP has a constant ratio between terms with nth term a times r to the power, n1. Free notes in the description. Subscribe to Clarix, that's Class 9 Maths, complete for now.